So friends, in the continuation of my previous topic, energy crisis and supply, what is the future scenario? Necessary steps required to meet the future demand, that may be energy system efficiency of the converting system should maximum and it should not be waste. Energy conservation, we should look after the natural resources and the process of conservation must be applied. Utilization of equipment which consume less energy in the starting and their running operation. Now we can come to the menace of power theft. The money power involved in the game of power theft is beyond imagination. There is a power theft in all over the world. Like any other commodity, electricity can also be stolen. How surprised, it is not visible. It is very much difficult to believe and still harder to prove that there is a power theft in particular line. If we see the available data of 2004, the total energy loss including theft in all over the world was 1148.58 billion units of electricity. That is almost equal to the total electricity consumption of UK, Germany and France put together. It is 85% of total production of 617.68 billion units in 1980s. Be careful, this is the data of 1980s while we are comparing with the 2004. Agriculture promotion. Agriculture lands are usually far away from the generating stations and industrial sectors. This remoteness is one of the reasons of heavy loss including theft. Due to social obligations, few countries like India, Bhutan even provided unmetered electricity to promote the agriculture. The largest democratic country, India, is losing almost half of the energy produced as reported by the BBC in 2004. Power theft a crime. Power theft is a crime in terms of cost and saving. The thieves are outsmarting us with their out of box ideas, which is usually ahead of the technology behind any smart meters. All utilities know the pain of power theft. According to a study, 80% of the total theft detected all over the world is from the developing places and 20% from commercial and industrial premises. Reasons for pilfer energy. Saving the utility bills as usual. Power intensive industries like steel and most industries where electricity bill play a major role in the cost of production, that is molding machine, rolling mills, etc., try to use illegal methods in order to maintain competitive rates. To overcome certain regulations, especially during the period of power cut and during peak load and restrictions, this type of theft is common in countries. Delay in releasing power connection, especially in undeveloped countries. Some people have different opinion about the law. They break it as a sign of revolt and try to justify it as the feel they will not get caught. For social and psychological reasons and make a false image in the public. During festival seasons, especially for illumination, people tamper the supply lines. Electricity theft, the global scenario. The demand will continue to rise for at least until 2050 and may be double according to various studies. The demand for India may shoot up by 509% and 231% for China by 2050. For Middle East, it would be 310% and US expects an increase of 35%.